Namaste. Jai Sri Ram. You have heard Rajesh ji, who makes money. You have heard Devendra ji, who is a chief minister who manages money. The state role is to manage money. The state role is to manage economy. You have listened Mohandas ji. He is a true Hindu, I can tell you. He was not introduced because he himself told, I should not be introduced. He has earned 100 rupees in his life, but he has donated 120 rupees. Why I am telling you this is lesson for you. You know, the world's largest midday meal program, Akshay Patra, is co-founded by him. And now you are going to listen a Bhikhari, Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. And when I was in Gurukul, I did 6-year regular Bhiksha. 6-year regular Bhiksha, daily going village to collect roti, and then going to Gurukul and study there again, coming back in the evening. 6 years I did this. And that time, you can imagine, I'm a 5 feet 9 inch tall, hatta katta, and going and begging roti is a very difficult. Generally, I never speak in my own forum. I speak everywhere, but I never speak in my own forum. When we have a last 2019, सॉरी मैं गलती बोल रहा हूँ, ज़्यादा अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ क्या मैं, या हिंदी बोलूँ? हाँ? ओह सो okay, hold on. How many of you do not understand Hindi? Okay. And how many of you understand English? Okay. Oh, so everybody understand English, huh? Sorry, I will try to mix, bhai. I will try to mix. I was here in 2019. We were in preparation of the World Hindu Economic Forum. And we had our meeting with the Purnima Advani ji, the ex-former National Commission of Women chairperson. When she was chairperson National Commission of Women, Nirmala Sitharaman was just a member. During the meeting, she insisted that I should speak in my forum, in 2019. I told, I don't speak, but she told, I'm your elder, you have to follow me, and I'm giving you order. And she's like elder sister, I followed her instruct. Unfortunately, she is no more living, she has passed away, but today my lecture is her tribute to her, tribute to Purnima Advani ji. मैं 2019 में यहाँ जब वर्ल्ड हिंदू इकोनॉमिक फोरम के कार्यक्रम के लिए तैयारी कर रहा था, आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग इन व्हाट आई सेड इन इंग्लिश, आई एम ट्राई टू रिपीट इन हिंदी. सो डोंट गेट एंग्री भाई, एनीबडी. पूर्णिमा आडवाणी जी थी जो नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ वीमेन की पहले प्रेसिडेंट रह चुकी थी. उनके अंडर निर्मला सीतारामन जी उनकी मेंबर थी. उन्होंने उनको अपने ऑफिस में कहा कि आपको बोलना है. जनरली मैं अपने फोरम में कभी नहीं बोलता, मैं दुनिया भर में बोलता हूँ, मेरा काम ही बोलने का है, लेकिन अपने फोरम में नहीं बोलता था. उन्होंने बोला कि मैं बड़ी हूँ इसलिए मेरी बात माननी पड़ेगी, इसलिए मैं बोला. और आज वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है. मेरा ये भाषण उनको एक ट्रिब्यूट के रूप में समर्पित है. मैं भी अभी I was talking to some of the media people before this World Hindu Economic Forum commencement. One gentleman, media person asked me, Hindus only talk about moksha, but you are talking about the economy. Hindu talk about only moksha, you are talking about the economy. I told this is the tragedy. Our ancestor created the greatest book on economy, that is Kautilya Shastra. Mahabharata Shanti Parva is full of that wisdom, but unfortunately we have suppressed those knowledge, ignored those knowledge, and we only talk about the moksha. And let me tell you very frankly here, moksha is only for sadhu, not for you. Moksha is only for sadhu, not for you. Your moksha will only happen dharma, artha, kama. You know, त्रिवर्गा, महाभारत talk about त्रिवर्गा. महाभारत त्रिवर्ग के बारे में चर्चा करता है, धर्म अर्थ कामा. और गृहस्थी के लिए ही धर्म अर्थ कामा है. यू अर्न अर्थ विद धर्मा. You earn artha with dharma, and you live, fulfill your kama as per dharma. Then moksha for you is a byproduct. You don't need to go in jungle like us. You know, that is our wisdom. That is dharma, artha, kama. That is the concept of Trivarga, especially for you media brother and sister, you know. So Hindu wisdom is full of this wisdom, but unfortunately what is happening, sorry to say, all our sadhu, baba, kathakar, pravachanकार, what they are talking, संसार मिथ्या है, संसार माया है, लेकिन दक्षिणा सत्य है. But I am going to change this today again in my, this is what I am going to highlight, you know. Dharmasya moolam artha. This is not my word. This is not my word. Dharmasya moolam artha. Economy is a strength. Economy is power. By Kautilya Chanakya. Arth eva pradhaniti Kautilya. Again he wrote, according to me, according to Kautilya, artha is a foremost. Artha is a, अर्थ जो है ना सब में सुप्रीम. artha is supreme in dharma, artha and kama. Without artha, dharma will not be fulfilled. भूखे भजन न हो ही गोपाला है, गांव में बोलते हैं ना, भूखे भजन न हो ही गोपाला. You all can understand, empty stomach no bhajan. Empty stomach no bhajan. And if you all remember in your childhood, if you have gone to the school, we have remembered this sloka, vidya dadati vinyam, vidya yatri patratam, पात्रत्वात् धनम आपनोति, धनात् धर्मम तथा सुखम. धन से धर्म होगा, धनात् धर्मम तथा सुखम. You know, means from dharma, धनात् you follow dharma, धनात् धर्मम तथा, then you have happiness. Again, this is not my word. This is not my word. This is from the Hitopdesa. And everybody, I remember everybody must have studied this in your school days. Now I am going to talk about Bhishma said to this. Bhishma Pitama ji ne this ko bola. Bhishma said to this. What he said? Dhanat sravati dharmo hi dharanat veti nischaya. Dhanat sravati dharmo hi dharana veti nischaya. There is no doubt that dharma flow from the wealth. There is no doubt dharma flow from the wealth. Arjuna said to Yudhishthira, dharma dhanat dharmam pravardate. Dharma thrives on the wealth. I don't want to tell you here, in Europe, America, what they are teaching, world is flat. As per Bible, world is a flat. Even in this 21st century, in this most advanced country, what they are teaching, world is a flat. And our ancestor, day one, when we were small, they were telling, Bhugol, Prithvi, goal hai, Prithvi is round. But we are ridiculed. But they are not ridiculed. Because they have a strength to back their irrational thinking also. If we don't have a strength to back our true knowledge also, that is a tragedy, you know. But because we have forget this part, dhana dharmam pravardhate. Again, Arjuna said to Yudhishthira, dhana dharmam sravati, saila dapi nadiyatha. Dharma flow from the wealth like a mountain stream from the mountain. पहाड़ से जैसे नदी निकलती है, धन से धर्म भी बहता है. Bhishma said to Yudhishthira, without artha, world will not be able to sustain its life. Without earth, world will not be able to sustain its life. Means, प्राणयात्रापि लोकस्य बिना ही अर्थे न सिद्ध्यति. बिना अर्थ के वो भी सिद्ध नहीं होता, ये जीवन नहीं चलेगा. इसलिए जो लोग बाबा लोग कहते हैं ना संसार मिथ्या है माया, उनको जरूर याद रहना चाहिए. अर्थस्य व्यवत धर्म कामो एतो श्रुति. Dharma and kama can be attained through successful acquisition of artha. Dharma and kama can be attained through the successful acquisition of artha. अर्थस्य वयु काम धर्म कामो इति. वेद में कहा गया है कि धर्म और काम बिना अर्थ के पूरा नहीं हो सकता, और ये इसी के द्वारा इट विल बी फुलफिल्ड बाय अर्था ओनली. Bhishma again said, those who are talking about the management, this is for them. Sattvam hi moolam arthasya. Self-confidence and the courage is the source of artha. What you have studied in the economics book, this is written in 5,000 years ago. Sattvam hi moolam arthasya. Self-confidence and courage is the source of artha. Again, Lakshmi is talking. Lakshmi is talking. Dakshe nare karmani vartamane. आई ड्वेल, मैं उसी के घर में जाती हूं जो मेहनती है, पुरुषार्थी है. आई ड्वेल इन द पर्सन हु आर कॉम्पिटेंट एंड हार्ड वर्किंग. लक्ष्मी स्वयं कहती है, जो मेहनती है पुरुषार्थी उसी के घर में जाती हूं, आलसी के घर में नहीं जाती. ना कर्मशील पुरुषे बशामी, आलसी के घर में तो कभी भी नहीं जाती. वेल्थ डज नॉट ड्वेल द मैन हु आर नॉट गुड इन द डीड और लेजी. आलसी लोग क्या नहीं जाती है. स्वामी विवेकानंद से एक ने पूछा, एक आदमी गया कि स्वामी जी से क्या मिलने. तो स्वामी जी ने पूछा क्या करते हो, तो बोला मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूं. तो स्वामी जी बहुत गुस्से हो गए. अरे भाई कुछ तो नहीं करते तो कम से कम चोरी तो करो, कुछ तो करो, आलसी तो मत बैठो. ये हमारी समाज का दुर्गति दुर्दशा है. हमारे यहाँ बहुत बड़ी संख्या आलसी लोगों की है. अब राज्य कैसे समर्थ होगा, राष्ट्र कैसे समर्थ होगा, उसकी चर्चा करते हैं. तुष्टा कृषि वाला कहता है कि कोई भी राज्य तभी समृद्ध होगा जब किसान संतुष्ट हो. किसान संतुष्ट नहीं होंगे तो कोई देश नहीं चल सकता. यूएसए आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा, यूनियन ऑफ सोवियत सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिक, दैट डिसइंटीग्रेटेड इन 16 countries. नाउ दे आर फाइटिंग. नाउ दे आर फाइटिंग ओनली बिकॉज farm producer in Russia, USSR, not Russia, USSR started declining. And by importing food, grain, you cannot fulfill the large population. States should ensure that seed and food grain of the farmer are not destroyed. Additionally, the state should grant loan generously to the farmer at annual rate of 1%. This is not my word, this is in Mahabharata. कश्चित भक्तम बीजम च कर्षस्य अवशीदति प्रत्येकम च सतम वृद्ध्वा. 1%. Remember, there was a time when a farmer go and buy tractor, the interest was higher than when you go and buy a car. This is the tragedy of this country. And again, I am talking about 5,000 years ago. Narad ji is telling to Yudhishthira, big water reservoirs should be built in all the region of the state and filled with the water to ensure that crops are not destroyed due to lack of rainfall. कहते हैं कि अपने राज्य में बड़े बड़े तालाब बनाओ. तालाब माने ताड़ाग लिखा हुआ, तालाब नहीं है. दिस इज इन संस्कृत ताड़ाग. लाइक ए बिग वाटर रिजर्वायर जिसमें पानी, वर्षा का पानी हार्वेस्ट होकर जमा हो. योर एग्रीकल्चर शुड नॉट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन द रेनफॉल. उन्होंने संस्कृत का शब्द अमात्र देव का. जो खेती रेनफॉल पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए, खेती डिपेंडेंट होनी चाहिए आपके रिजर्वायर के पानी से. आप कंटिन्यूसली इरिगेट कर सकते कि वर्षा सालों भर नहीं होती है. ये नारद जी युधिष्ठिर को 5000 साल पहले बता रहे, आज नहीं बता रहे. आज मेधा पाटकर आ जाएगी ना, नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन चलाएगी. ऐसे लोगों को हमें एक्सपोज करना है. ध्यान दो, इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. मैं खुद नहीं बोल रहा, मेरा इसमें कोई शब्द, मैं केवल अंग्रेजी का ट्रांसलेशन कर रहा हूं। बिजनेस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बोल रहे हैं। कश्चित स्वनिष्ठात वार्ता थे साधुर्विजनी। नारद जी कहते हैं एग्रीकल्चर एंड कॉमर्स शुड बी अंडरटेकन बाय द इंडस्ट्रियस एंड वर्चुअस मेंबर ऑफ द सोसाइटी। Industrious and virtuous member of the society. The prosperity and happiness of the state, people depend on the two pillars, the agriculture and commerce. But unfortunate part क्या है, नेता लोग, politician लोग इन दोनों को लड़ा रहे हैं। We need to expose that design also. We need to expose that design. Two pillars. This is not my word. This is from the Mahabharata. इंटरप्रेन्योर एंड फार्मर शुड बी केयर एंड प्रोटेक्ट बाय द स्टेट। ये भी कहते हैं ये दोनों को स्टेट का प्रोटेक्शन करना चाहिए। और क्या शब्द है जानते हो, महाभारत के शांति पर्व में भीष्म पितामह बोलते हैं गोमिनो धनिनश्चैव परिपाल्या विशेषतः। गोमिनो धनिनश्चैव परिपाल्या विशेषतः। द स्टेट शुड केयर फॉर एंड लुक आफ्टर बोथ फार्मर एंड बिजनेस पर्सन। मोहनदास जी, दिस इज नॉट माई वर्ड, दिस इज फ्रॉम द महाभारत. But we have ignored this knowledge. And you are mentioning about we were 33% world economy. This is all because of this. Our ancestor respected businessmen. And what was the word for businessman in our ancestor time? They used the word Sreshti. Sreshti. Sreshti was the name for the businessman. And anybody Jain here? Can raise the hand? जैन, अभी भी जैन साधु लोग बिजनेसमैन को श्रेष्ठी ही बोलते हैं। हमारे साधु तो भूल गए। हमारे साधु को संसार मिथ्या याद आता है, दक्षिणा याद होता है, उनका रेस्पेक्ट याद नहीं आता है। इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं, नेपाल के बंधु यहां पर आए हैं, नेपाल में आज भी श्रेष्ठ है, श्रेष्ठ बोला जाता है, इसमें श्रेष्ठ लोग हैं बैठे हुए। इसीलिए पंजाब में वही श्रेष्ठ शब्द बन गया सेठी, यानी सेठी, सेठी, नॉट महाराष्ट्र वाला सेठी, वहां पर भी सेठी हैं, यू नो। इन पंजाब द सेम श्रेष्ठी वर्ड हैज बिकम सेठी, एंड राजस्थान दैट हैज बिकम सेठजी, एंड गुजरात इट हैज बिकम सेठ, एंड कोंकण, मुंबई, कर्नाटका, गोवा, ऑल दिस प्लेस दैट हैज बिकम सेठी, 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 द सेम वर्ड. You have so many Sethi also. Our one Karkarta also is a Sethi. Yesterday I scolded him, you know. And the same Sreshti word is in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, Chetti. Chetti is the same word. Chetti, Chetti, Chetti. There are Chetti here also. Chetti, Chettiar. Chettiar means Chettiar. Original word is Sreshti. You can say because of that, we had our great respect. Why I am telling you, this is very important. We must remember, we are talking about the World Hindu Economic Forum. We must respect our businessmen. Why I am mentioning this? The nation whose young men are inspired by the glory of past, pain of present, dream for future, move on path of progress. This is not my word, again by Sri Aurobindo. We have forget our wisdom. It is working. क्या है भाई? How is moving forward? Okay. You have seen all this? No. You can go back. Okay. Why I am requesting you? This is the slide which Mohan Das mentioned. We were 33% world GDP. I am telling you, even before the Mahabharata, Ved ka Yajurveda said, Namo mantrine vani jaye, Namo mantrine vani jaye. Salutation to expert and capable entrepreneur. Hindu society, both farmer and entrepreneur are respected and regarded, valued for their contribution for food production, wealth generation, employment creation, which make the country self-reliant. But unfortunately, what is happening? so-called politician who has robbed many places, and they are continuing robbing. There was a video leak in Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu finance minister, now that fellow is removed. He told this DMK fellow has looted country in in this budget we cannot count. And that fellow is removed. And these politicians are telling society about the ethical value. We need to question them, We need to question them. We need to question them. Again, very important from the same Mahabharata. Satyacharastu dhanika vyavhare hata yadi. Raja samadurastu tathascha krishi balan. Sometime, honest entrepreneur. This is from Mahabharata. Sometime, honest entrepreneur and farmer fall into distress. कठिनाई में पड़ जाते हैं, During those times, the state should help them overcome their difficulty. Can you imagine? This is 5,000 years ago. This is not even much before, But we have forget, What is important here? Can you go to the next slide? Is not. I don't want to use this, I just want to play you.
आचार्य कहाँ है?
श्रेष्ठी
चाणक्य।
लक्ष्मीपति के यहाँ। निपुणक, अब आचार्य को संभालना होगा। कह के पराजय की सूचना पाकर वे पूरी तरह टूट चुके हैं।
समस्त उत्तरापथ के मार्ग अलेक्जेंडर के आक्रमण के कारण अब भयमुक्त नहीं रहे आचार्य। ना ही मार्ग सुरक्षित है और ना ही जनपदों की स्थिति इतनी सुदृढ़ कि वे सार्थवाहों की रक्षा का उत्तरदायित्व वहन कर सके। कह कि मेरे पर्णशाला से अलेक्जेंडर के आक्रमण की सूचना आते ही मुझे बीच मार्ग से ही लौटाना पड़ा। किसी दावानल की भांति वह संपूर्ण वाहिक प्रदेश को ग्रस लेने के लिए निरंतर आगे बढ़ रहा है। शीघ्र ही तक्षशिला से कैकेयी की पर्णशाला में मेरा पण्य आने वाला था, पर अब तो तक्षशिला की ओर प्रयाण करने में ही संकोच हो रहा है। पर आप कहां से आ रहे हैं आचार्य?
पाटलिपुत्र से।
किसी कार्यवश या?
धनानंद से सैनिक सहायता मांगने गया था, ताकि भारत के समस्त जनपद एक राष्ट्र के रूप में संगठित हो अलेक्जेंडर के आक्रमण का प्रत्युत्तर दे सकें। पर
आचार्य, क्या अन्य जनपद अलेक्जेंडर से अपनी रक्षा कर पाएंगे?
इस राष्ट्र को अपनी रक्षा करने के योग्य तो बनाना ही होगा।
बड़ी प्रसन्नता होती जो आप मेरा आतिथ्य स्वीकार करते।
आज्ञा दीजिए।
मेरा सेवक आपको पंथागार तक छोड़ाएगा। मार्गों में घना अंधेरा होगा।
उसकी कोई आवश्यकता नहीं सृष्टि। वैसे भी मेरे मार्गों में पहले से ज्यादा घना अंधेरा है। प्रणाम।
आचार्य, किसी यज्ञ में मेरी आवश्यकता हो तो मुझे अवश्य पुकारिए।
इस धरती के पूर्वजों के पुण्य शेष रहे तो अग्नि की ज्वाला उठेंगे ही। समस्त राष्ट्र उसकी वेदी होगा। उस प्रचंड अग्नि में क्या क्या समर्पित, क्या क्या स्वाहा कर पाओगे सृष्टि?
यदि उस यज्ञ का पुरोहित आचार्य विष्णुगुप्त है तो सर्वस्व।
वह अवसर भी आएगा सृष्टि।
I thank Chandra Prakash Dwivedi ji making this TV serial 35 years ago almost and recognizing this part. Why I am mentioning for those who do not understand this Hindi serial, this is from the Chanakya serial made by Chandra Prakash Dwivedi. In that Shresthi businessman is offering. That Shresthi businessman is offering to whom? Chanakya, if you lead to defend the country, all my wealth is at your feet. That is how our commitment of the business people we had. But I want to tell you another thing. Professor Dheeraj Sharma, professor of IIM Ahmedabad, who is now the director of IIM Rohtak, did research from 50 film each every 10 years till 2010. He has studied in the Bollywood movie. You are sitting in the Bollywood, huh? How stereotype is created. How stereotype is created. I don't want to go in detail in the whole research. I will touch because this is economic forum on that. Why businessmen are not respected in this country. The cause is communist, socialist, and also the Bollywood. Also Bollywood. What is his study? 62% corrupt businessman in the film has a Baisya surname. And what is Baisya? I don't watch movie, but I remember long ago I watched one Mother India. In that there is a one businessman. He is corrupt and he exploiting the women who is Bharat Mata, that Nargis, something like that. And why this is happening? In Mumbai this is happening. And this Bollywood industry is run by all the Gujarati, Marwadi, Punjabi, Sindhi businessmen money. And you people are clapping on that. You are clapping on that, you know. It's a very shameful. With your money, आपका जड़ खोद रहे हैं. They are uprooting you. And nobody is questioning them. And you know, you have lost a sympathy because of their propaganda. Because of their stereotype, you have lost the sympathy. Can you go to the next slide?
आचार्य कहाँ?
अरे नहीं भाई, next. You have lost the sympathy. This is not my slide. Thank to media people at least highlighting this, you know. This is not my slide. What they say? More farmer died. More farmer. National Crime Report Bureau report. National Crime Report Bureau report. Data show more suicide among businessmen than the farmer. More suicide among businessmen than the farmer. And this number is not 1, 2. I was discussing the businessmen. Even businessmen are not aware. This number is 11,000 businessmen died by suicide. No business organization, no government discuss this. Because this Bollywood has created negative portrayal of you people. You have lost the sympathy of the society. When a society lost the sympathy by propaganda, you don't know how much you will suffer. Our Jewish brothers are here, you know. Hitler created propaganda against the Jews. And he massacred 60 million. This is 6 million Jews. 6 million Jews. 6 million Jews. And today something happened. Nobody has stand with the businessman. Everybody want businessman money. Everyone will go for donation. Even politician, sadhu, sanstha, everybody will go. But anything happen to businessman, nobody will stand. This is all because you have lost sympathy. And this is all created by the Bollywood. And unfortunate part is that in the same Mumbai, you celebrate this. Unless you change this, you will not gain the respect. Why I am telling you? I am not emotional. I am very harsh, you know. Some time back, I was here in the same Mumbai. In one of the conference, one minister told businessmen should do ethical business. Businessmen should do ethical business. When my time came, I told, you don't know. We are all human beings. Everybody want to sleep in peaceful night. You don't understand. Businessmen also want to do things peacefully, ethically. But you politicians, bureaucrats create problems. You don't understand. If you ask, you are all businessmen. मैं तो भिखारी हूँ भाई. मैं तो business थोड़ा नहीं किया हूँ. I have never done any business, you know. You'll be surprised when I did the first World Hindu Economic Forum in Bangkok. One businessman wrote, there are some sharp also, you know. What he wrote? This conference is organized by a sadhu who don't know anything of the business. And second line he wrote, these are RSS VHP fellows, huh? But they never discuss a single word of religion, only business economy. But messages were loud and clear, you know. Messages were loud and clear. Why I am telling you? That gentleman, minister, here in Mumbai, you do ethical business. I told him, you don't know how business is difficult. When the business goes for business, he first bring family saving. He collect from his friends and relatives. then he will go to the bank. Otherwise, bank will not give him. Taking all the risk, he set up first factory. Taking all the risk, he will set up a factory. And first, without even coming profit, first he will create employment. He will pay salary. He will start creating wealth creation. He pay taxes. And you bureaucrats and politician and minister create problem for him. वो तो उसका फांसी लग गया भाई. He is hanging. He is hanging. He cannot bribe you honestly. Without bribing, you cannot allow him to do his smooth business. He makes tax saving here and there. He makes little black money. And he bribe you, then his business will start. To them, I am telling again, if they will have surplus black money, they will again set up another factory, they will create another employment, they will pay taxes. To them you are telling to do the business, ethical business. I am asking you, you fellows are not IIT educated, you fellows are not IIM educated, you have no qualification, Harvard, MIT, you don't have ancestor wealth. भाई मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है? मैं बोल रहा हूं कि आप नेता, पॉलिटिशियन, मिनिस्टर जो अधिकांशतः हो, यहाँ सर्वे कर लो महाराष्ट्र में. मैं बोल रहा हूं, आप IIT के पढ़े हुए नहीं हो, IIM के पढ़े हुए नहीं हो, MIT, हार्वर्ड की डिग्री नहीं है, आपके पास पूर्वजों का भी पैसा नहीं था. लेकिन गो एंड सर्वे डू इन द महाराष्ट्र. मोस्ट ऑफ द इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, medical college, management college, all belong to netas and these ministers. And nobody question them. Nobody question. Unless you start questioning them, their ego will keep on boosting. Unfortunate part is that you keep on pampering and boosting. We need to question them. Don't boost, don't pamper them, always question them, Then they will be on the line. But हमारे यहाँ क्या है भाई, बहुत चापलूसी बहुत करते हैं, है ना. एंड स्पेशली मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये बिजनेसमैन भी चापलूसी करते हैं. इनका मुझे कहता है इनको विरोध करना चाहिए. और मेरा बिजनेसमैनों से झगड़ा है, ये मैं अपनी बात नहीं कह रहा हूँ, ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ शास्त्रों की बात. ये मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं थी. मैं तो IIT करने के बाद पढ़ने गया संस्कृत, तब मुझे ज्ञान आया. मुझे लगा हमारे पूर्वजों ने तो इतना बड़ा नॉलेज दिया. आवर पूर्वज हैज क्रिएटेड सच ए वास्ट नॉलेज. And that knowledge is not shared by these babas and kathakar and pravachakar. Only Radhe Radhe gaate chalo aayenge bihari. And all you people have corrupted the society. You pay money to this baba and you have changed this knowledge society into kathakar and pravachankar society. And not only kathakar, you are doing katha in the cruise. That has become entertainment. It's the same on our society. And all these babas and kathakar are doing cruise and katha. And cruise katha में क्या होता है? You all know. I don't want to tell you, ना. सबका वहाँ कट बना हुआ है. ट्रैवल एजेंट का भी कट बना हुआ है, बाबा का भी कट बना हुआ है. ऐसे देश समाज आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा. मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप मुझे पैसा दे दोगे, मैं आपसे पैसा मांगने नहीं आऊँगा. मैंने अपने जीवन में कोई आश्रम मठ मंदिर नहीं बनाए हैं. मेरे लिए तो देश ही अपना मठ मंदिर है, आश्रम है. मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूं कि देश को आगे बढ़ना है तो जैसे मैंने कहा किसानों का रेस्पेक्ट होता है, सेम वे वी मस्ट रेस्पेक्ट अवर वेल्थ क्रिएटर. वी शुड रेस्पेक्ट वेल्थ क्रिएटर. दिस इज नॉट माई वर्ड अगेन. दिस इज नॉट माई वर्ड मोहन जी. दिस इज नॉट माई वर्ड अगेन. नावो न संति सेनायाम बहवः तारुतिम तथा वणिजम उघातम च कथम अस्मद दुश्चरित. भगवान राम इज टॉकिंग. भगवान राम बोल रहे हैं. फर्स्ट लेट मी ट्रांसलेट इन इंग्लिश, देन आई विल ट्रांसलेट इन हिंदी. रामा स्टेटेड दैट आवर आर्मी इज साइजेबल, बड़ा है, बिग आर्मी. हाउएवर वी लैक सफिशिएंट नंबर ऑफ बोट टू फैसिलिटेट क्रॉसिंग द सी. क्रॉसिंग द सी. नाव पार, समुद्र पार करने के लिए वी डोंट हैव एनफ बोट. वी मे यूज मर्चेंट वेसल फॉर आवर पर्पस. ही इज थिंकिंग कि व्यापारियों का जहाज है उसको ले लो. कंसिक्वेंटली वी प्रेफर नॉट टू यूटिलाइज मर्चेंट वेसल. इसलिए हमें व्यापारियों का जहाज यूटिलाइज नहीं करना चाहिए. as doing so would disrupt the regular activity. मैं अगर हम अपने purpose, for our army purpose, if we start using our businessman vessel, तो their businessman day-to-day activity will be disrupted. भगवान राम कितने बड़े ideals हैं कि we should not disrupt day-to-day business activity of businessman. इसलिए भगवान राम is called मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम, हाँ? Not the fake politician are called मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम, हाँ? Regarding taxation, now there is tax regime going on. Tax terror is there. License rise are gone. Inspector rise and tax rise has come, How taxation was charged and collected? यथैव पूर्णाद बुद्धे संद तापो दिशो दश एवं राजकुलाद वित्तम पृथ्वी प्रति तिष्ठति. The ocean and water is drawn upon by the sun. Ocean water is drawn upon the sun. Suraj, sun sucked the water by evaporization, which then a spread cloud bring rain in all the direction. Through cloud, क्या है बादल के बाद बादल, with cloud it rain everywhere. First sun suck the water, then create cloud and spread water everywhere. Similarly, wealth emanate from the state should spread throughout, throughout, everywhere it should spread. It should not spread that only one region and that region. Mohanji, I disagree with you in Karnataka. You people have deprived the northern Karnataka. Northern Karnataka, only southern Karnataka is rich. That is not going to help. Wealth should spread everywhere. That is what the state say. That is what the Mahabharata कहता है ना. Taxation is like extracting juice from the tree. Taxation like extracting juice from the tree. जैसे he has given example palmyra tree. ताड़ का पेड़ होता है ना, ताड़, palmyra tree को ताड़ का पेड़ कहते हो. जैसे उससे जूस निकालते हैं ना, वैसे निकालना चाहिए. नष्ट पेड़ नहीं काटना चाहिए. आजकल तो पेड़ को ही काट देते हैं. पेड़ को ही काटने दे. इसलिए हमारे यहाँ से बड़ी संख्या के लोग भाग गए हैं. सिंगापुर, दुबई, इंग्लैंड चले गए हैं. दुबई इज नॉट ए प्लेस टू लिव, बट आवर पीपल आर गोइंग देयर. About how you should impose taxation. This is again from the Mahabharata. Bikram kradvanam bhaktam sa parichadam. A state must thoroughly examine the sale and purchase of goods, transportation cost, staff salary, profit and survival of businesses. Business survival is also important. Only then taxes would be imposed to ensure the survival of entrepreneur. This is from the Mahabharata. This is Bhishma is teaching to Yudhishthira. Again I am repeating. A state must thoroughly examine the sale and purchase of goods. सामान को जो खरीद बिक्री का गुड्स होता है ना, उसको अच्छी तरह से उस पर कॉस्ट क्या क्या आता है मस्ट एग्जामिन प्रॉपरली. उसमें कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, स्टाफ सैलरी एंड सर्वाइवल. और बिजनेस को भी सर्वाइव करना चाहिए. ओनली देन टैक्सेस वुड बी इम्पोज. टैक्स इम्पोज करते समय यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द बिजनेसमैन आल्सो. All need to consider, then only taxes should be imposed. Again, next slok is mentioned. A state must thoroughly examine the cost of production, quality of the product, and type of technology, ensuring that taxes are commensurate. Utpattim danam vrittim cha silpam sampraksha. Chasat silpam means technology. Taxes must also be a structure to guarantee industries a decent standard of living. उसको भी भाई जीने का अधिकार है. Fostering the growth of both industry and industrialists both. Then only industrialists will survive. Again, this is not my word. This is from the Mahabharata. I am just as a postman, पूर्वजों का चेला के रूप में आपके सामने प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मोहनदास जी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नारद जी asking Yudhishthira, remember this is very important line. Utpannam kaschid adasya daridrasya bharata arthan mitha pasyanti tava atma hritadhane. I am going to translate English and Hindi bhi. Some entrepreneur, can you imagine, this is 5,000 ago. Some entrepreneur, both a small and big wealthy entrepreneur, have become prosperous in a short period. Have prosperous in the short period. Those days, remember, they used to question Dhiru Bhai. Some entrepreneur, both a small and big and wealthy, have become prosperous in short period. Minister and tax collector, remember, minister and tax collector should not be misled by other into believing that their success was achieved through improper mean. आप क्या बोल रहे हैं कि आपके मंत्री और ऑफिसर जो टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट वालों को इस तरह भ्रम में और दूसरों के द्वारा फैलाए हुए पप्पू जैसे द्वारा फैलाए हुए भ्रम में नहीं जीना चाहिए कि their success is through improper mean. Can you imagine that 5,000 years ago? Again, I am repeating, very important. Some entrepreneur, both a small and big, wealthy, have become prosperous in a short period of time. Minister and tax collectors should not be misled by other. कान फूसते हैं ना, you know, कान फूकने वाले ब्यूरोक्रेट्स बहुत हो जाते हैं. Other believing into that success was achieved through improper means. So this need to be properly managed and controlled. Again he is asking, Kaschit abhyagata durad vanijo labh karanat. Entrepreneur who have traveled from far away to conduct business and earn profit should be treated fairly. This is for all the chief minister of the Bharat. You should not discriminate. A state collector should collect the appropriate amount of tax, not more than necessary. Not more than necessary. Appropriate taxes should be collected. A state tax collector should collect appropriate tax, not more than necessary. I remember I always tell my lecture, in this modern globalized world, you cannot control capital, talent and technology. Only you can attract. Our ancestor has that policy. Therefore, our ancestor had that policy. Therefore, we were able to create such a great wealth, which was recorded in the history, not by us. You know, modern time we are hardly 4% with all the halla gulla. We are 4th largest economy, or 5th largest economy. We are only 4 trillion. Remember, this is all because of the whatever the Nehruvian policy we had because of that, you know. Another important thing, Kaschit Purusha Rajan Purushe Raste Chamanita. Sorry. Entrepreneur, this is Vidura. Maharaj Vidur is teaching to Yudhishthira. Entrepreneur who bring valuable economy into state deserve respect and honor, you know. Now everybody is attracting investment, you know. This is written. Tax collectors should not deceive or cheat them. Tax collectors should not deceive and cheat them. Otherwise, you know, how you get the notice by income tax department, you all know. I don't have to tell you, you know. Again, about taxation is talking. A state should not oppress its people by extracting excessive taxes from them. Excessive taxes nahi hona chahiye. Sunday, we are going to pay tribute to the Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That is his Punyatithi. That time I will talk on this subject, you know. Today I am not going to talk on this subject. Very important, a state should not oppress its people by extracting excessive taxes from them, as this undermines the prescribed rules and ultimately lead to destruction of the state. and how much maximum taxes you should charge, Though Mohandas is chartered accountant, there are many chartered accountants here. During Norway time, I was told in the higher time, 90% some taxes were there. Huh? 97, can you imagine? You are only left with the 3%. Huh? कौन बेवकूफ पैसा कमाएगा भाई? Huh? Why they will earn money if 97% you will take them? They are not fool. Better to उससे अच्छा तो मजदूरी कर लेंगे ना भाई? Huh? They will do the mazduri better than that. There is no taxation than mazduri. No, what the word they have used? Earth mulo hinsa chakurte. This is earth, over taxation is like a economic violence. Economic violence. Maximum limit of taxation, I'm talking about the maximum limit of taxation. पुष्पा जी आ गई, नमस्ते, हैं? धन्यवाद. इन्होंने बोला तो आप नहीं आ रही हैं. A state should collect 1/6 of its people income as taxes to fulfill its duty and responsibility for their welfare and protection. Only 1/6, yani 16%, not more than 16%. The state should collect only 1/6 of its people income as taxes to fulfill its duty and responsibility. What is the duty and responsibility? To welfare and the protection. Welfare, the state responsibility to protection and welfare, that is duty, not to do the business. When the state start doing business, country will doom. There is a saying, Raja Vyapari to Praja Bhikari. And how you protect a state, how wealth is created, how wealth is created. Why I am telling you tomorrow, I will tell you when Yogi ji will come tomorrow, Law and enforcement protect the wealth and property, both individual and state. Dande narakshate dhanyam, dhanyam dande narakshate, Law enforcement protect the wealth and prosperity of the both individual and state. If there is no law and order, there is no discipline, businessmen will run away and your wealth will also run away. You have seen UP 1960 onward continuously declined for 60 years. 60 years. Because wealth creator and wealth were not protected. वहां मुलायम सिंह का गुंडा राज चल रहा था. योगी जी ने आके सब गुंडा लोगों को ठीक कर दिया है. He has disciplined all the badmaas, gunda, mafia. Everybody is running. Therefore, first time in the 63-year history, UP has started moving upward, And I can tell you, West Bengal, when we were small, that time Calcutta, we always heard Calcutta, I remember my father took me to see how underground railway is constructed, just to inspire us when we were young. That time Calcutta underground railways was constructed, West Bengal is continuously and perpetually in decline. There was a time West Bengal was per total GDP of Bharat is 10.6. 10.6. It has come to less than 5, means 4.6, because wealth creators are not respected. I remember Mamta halla gulla karke Tata ko bhaga di. What is that car? Nano. Nano car moved to Gujarat. Who is benefited? Gujarat. So, as I mentioned you need to respect wealth created. Talent, technology you cannot control, only you can attract. Bengal is the state which is in perpetual decline in Bharat. Among the best performing state, West Bengal is declining. Bihar is not progressing well, and Jhawarji, Tamil Nadu is also not progressing well. They are all just boasting. I can show you the data. झावर जी हमारे बड़े मैन हैं, हमारे बड़े कार्यकर्ता हैं. आप वो स्टालिन को बता रहे ना, स्टालिन को मैं इसलिए इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का इनविटेशन नहीं दिया भाई। मुझे मीडिया के लोगों ने एक पार्टी की प्रवक्ता, मैं नाम लेना चाहता हूँ, बोलते हैं वर्ल्ड हिंदू इकोनॉमिक फोरम केवल योगी जी के लिए क्या? योगी जी के लिए क्यों चीफ मिनिस्टर को, योगी जी को क्यों कीनोट स्पीकर के लिए बुलाया? आई टोल्ड देम कि लुक, वी इनवाइटेड 24 चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ भारत, 24 chief minister. See, we have a difference, but some of these chief minister, they are holding the state, they are constitutional power. We invited Siddharamaiah, we invited what is called our Telangana man, Revant Reddy, we invited our Chandrababu Naidu, we invited Sukhu from Himachal Pradesh. Even we have a problem with the AAP, we invited Bhagwant Mann also, we have a difference of opinion, very big difference with Mamata Banerjee. We invited Mamata Banerjee also. सब हमारे लोग गाली देंगे मुझे, स्वामी जी आपने ममता को क्यों बुला दिया? मुझे भी पता था कि भाई वो लोग नहीं आएंगे, तो हमारे तो पूर्वज कहते ना, अपनी ओर से गलत काम नहीं करना चाहिए, तो हमने उनको भी बुलाया। हमने नहीं, ऐसा नहीं कि हमने डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया, हमने केवल 3 लोगों को नहीं बुलाया। एम.के. स्टालिन को नहीं बुलाया क्योंकि वो अपने बेटे को डांटता नहीं है। दैट सन, those who are coming from Tamil Nadu, for them I am telling, I have not invited M.K. Stalin only because his son publicly said and announced he will destroy Sanatan Dharma. And Sanatan Dharma is like a disease. Actually, they are like a disease on Tamil Nadu. The day the DMK and their movement will diminish and finish in Tamil Nadu, and the day Tamilian will rise and kick them out, Tamil Nadu will be one of the fastest states. I want to tell you here, I will come back, So, why I am telling you Tamil Nadu will be fastest state? In the record, Harvard Tri-Sentinel Memorial Publication, Harvard University, ka jab 300, when 300 year of the Harvard University, ka, what celebration happened, so they published Harvard Tri-Sentinel Memorial Publication, usme, they, kya bolte hain, smarika na, souvenir they published. And one fellow wrote article. What the article, how they are boasting? Those days, not now, those days, when our righteous king, Chola, Chera, Pandya, all these people were ruling Tamil Nadu, their descendants were ruling, not this corrupt DMK. So one American businessman, this is all I am telling, a long old story, one American businessman who comes and buy from Tamil Nadu. That time there was no Tamil Nadu, whatever the state will be there, Tamil Nadu, a state name was not there, This is pre even British. I am talking about pre-British, You remember in Mahabharata, they have mentioned the Chola. They have mentioned the Pandya. And Chola and Pandya, they fought along with the Pandava, not with the Kaurava. Remember, all these Tamil Nadu people, you need to remember this. And the present DMK is standing with the Kauravas. They are standing with the Kaurava. So, all our delegates, Karyakarta who have come from Tamil Nadu, I am give you challenge. Today, not today is possible, but in the near future, we need to defeat them. We need to defeat them. Then only Tamil Nadu will rise. And the discussion is that that fellow, American businessman is asking king, look, I am always coming here and buying all the goods from you. And you people are not buying anything from us. The king said to him, look, our product is better, therefore you are buying. So you can understand how quality of our product was better than the American those days. Your product is not that good, why we will buy from you? American is requesting him, at least for trade sake, something you should buy, नहीं तो ट्रेड डेफिसिट विल बी मोर. So after long discussion, what was decided? What is unique in your country? So they told ice, baraf. Tamil Nadu has no baraf, only Himalaya has baraf. So that time there was no railway. Otherwise we can have sent our Himachal people are here. They can have packed and sent to Tamil Nadu, baraf. Ice. You don't understand? Baraf, ice. That American fellow packed and they went in some lake near Boston, they cut and piece and packed in the, petty, and they transported from America and sold in Tamil Nadu, whatever that estate king, and they have recorded, we have sold the baraf, we have sold the ice. So you can understand, Tamil Nadu can become fastest, richest state, because Tamil Nadu people are more enterprisers. We have history of Chettiar, Reddiyar, Mudaliyar. The great entrepreneur people, better than our Marwadi, Jain and Gujaratis. But unfortunately, they lost because their population declined. Abhi bola na, bhai Mohandas ji, they lost. Chettiar is only 65,000 family left. Only one or two big Chettiar group, Murugappa, they are left. Chettiar used to control entire Southeast Asia. They built the temple. But now, no more Chettiar. Our Praful Bhai is here, he knows the Chettiar. That spirit is in Tamil Nadu. And that spirit will only come when we remove this DMK. And that responsibility is all on us. Therefore, we have not invited this DMK. As they wanted to destroy Sanatan Dharma, we will take both to destroy DMK. And we have not invited Arvind Kejriwal and also Hemant Soren because they were corrupt people, So we don't want corrupt people here, This is a Hindu platform. Otherwise, we have invited everybody. इसलिए मेरा किसी से झगड़ा नहीं है. And as I mentioned you, law enforcement protect the wealth and prosperity both individual and state. As I mentioned you, UP has now better law enforcement. Yogi ji ka bulldozer bhi aur danda bhi hai. Therefore, UP has started progressing well. And on another term I am talking about, Our Shastra has talked about the anti-national also. Those who seek to increase their fortune through unscrupulous means, harming and betraying their country are like vermin feeding the corpse. ऐसे लोग जो राष्ट्र के हानि करके अपने आप को बढ़ा रहे हैं, वो ऐसे कीड़े हैं जैसे लाश, मरे हुए लाश में कीड़े हो जाते हैं, जानवरों के लाश में कीड़े हो जाते हैं, वैसे लोग हैं. आई एम जस्ट ट्रांसलेटिंग फॉर यू इन इंग्लिश. Those who seek to increase their fortune through unscrupulous means, harming and betraying their country are like vermin feeding the corpse. And what is happening, you have news, you can see that, कि some of the politicians and some of their mother politicians, some of the Popu politicians, they are collaborating with the anti-national Soros, George Soros. So we need to destroy those enemies also, That is also not my word. This is again from the Mahabharata. Santi Parva Bhisma is telling to Yudhishthira. And when we were doing our study, as a young man, we were a student, we were told, communist thought, Marxist thought will bring equality in the society. Marxist thought will bring equality in the society, justice, fair, equitable, socialism, all those things, I remember, I don't know, many of you senior people are my age, they will remember. Those days, I remember, the Glazed magazine, Glazed, Chikna, Glazed magazine, I don't know what to tell in it, Glazed magazine, in Hindi. Glazed magazine used to come from Russia. Soviet land, Soviet women, And this is, many must have seen those magazines. And we were a student, we used to read, because at that time our newspaper quality was very poor, you remember? So we used to keep those magazines to cover up the books, you know. Jild lagane ke liye padhte the, you know. We used to keep, because we have never seen that glazed, the only Russian used to come, you know. And our professor used to say those days, you know, oh, Russia is very signing, everything is development. The way they used to promote, and those days, you remember, to get one telephone line, you have to do chamchagiri to the neta, MLA MP. To get cash, you know, one telephone line, you have to go behind these people. Huh? One line, you have to go behind this. To get one telephone line. And our highway was like a single road, you know. If both side truck, car comes, so one side had to go, one chakka that side, another wheel that side, you know. That was our highway. That was our highway. And what they used to blame? Oh, just like you mentioned Hindu growth rate, these are all communist, socialist. The same society which is progressing now, the second fastest economy in the world, nobody recognizes this is Hindu growth rate, not that socialist Hindu growth rate, you know. When the Narasimha Rao opened our economy in 1991, within 10 years, we become during our second fastest economy. China was 12, we were 9.5. That was our growth. That is how our entrepreneurial spirit of you people, not my, you know, you people. Credit goes to you people. The same country, same society, which was shackled by the socialistic model of policy, we struggled. We lost the opportunity after the Second World War. America, USA, Europe, Japan, Germany, all developed, and we become poor because this socialist model, communist model. And communists used to say, this is all because of the Hindu fatalism and feudalism. Hindu fatalism and feudalism. I remember those days, we were young. Ram Swarupji used to publish a small book from Calcutta, Anti-Communist League, you know. In that, they used to mention how many communists in Russia and China they have killed during the Cultural Revolution, greatly forward, they killed millions and millions and millions. Now the record is coming, China killed 60 million people during the Cultural Revolution, greatly forward. And nobody questioned them, And they talk about that their ideology is superior, which is collapsed, you know. Communism is everywhere failed, you know. And on that also our Shastra is talking, you know. Ye dhanad apkarshanti nara swabalmastita. Ye dhanad apkarshanti nara swabalmastita. Te dharmam artham kamam cha prathamanti naram tata. This is against the capitalistic exploitation in Shastra, and this is in Udyog Parva. Vidura is talking, you know. If a powerful person resort to using their power to exploit another of their wealth, they not only devastate the victim but also undermine the dharma, artha and kama. If somebody exploiting somebody because he is powerful, either by money or bahubali or dadagiri, he is destroying not only victim, he destroys the victim, but also undermine the dharma and the kama also. Therefore, our society say we should never allow this exploitation. We should never exploit this exploitation. I was talking that a person, he told me, I talked to him, कि पुराने जो chief minister थे, Manohar Parrikar ji का, there was a program for Manohar Parrikar ji. After finishing that, he will come, you know. Again, for a person, the destruction of prosperity is a worse calamity than death. You know, this is in same Mahabharata, in Udyog Parva. For a person, the destruction of prosperity is worse calamity than the death, as prosperity is the source of dharma and kama. So, neighbor society on a state should exploit and allow exploitation. So even this thought is also in our Shastra. And I have a request to all of you people. You people have been given a dabba. You go and open your bag. You all, I'm requesting you are, all the delegates are given the bag. Even for media people, I'm requesting. You all are given the bag or not? In bag, there is a dabba. Remove the dabba. In bag, there is a dabba given. I'm requesting you all to remove the dabba. Not many people are, everybody. This dabba has a very important message for you. भाई आप तो पैसा बनाओगे, मेरा क्या होगा? मेरा भी तो कुछ होना चाहिए. You are going to make money, and what is for me? So I have written is dabba. If you remove the dabba ढक्कन, front side is. अरे लड्डू दिया कि नहीं? इनको बुलाया था ना? Got the लड्डू ना? इनको भी दो, इनको प्रमोद भाई को भी दो. Inside is there is a हिंदी में लिखा हुआ है. नो लड्डू बाद में देखना, और पहले पढ़ो. और आउटसाइड इज इंग्लिश. फॉर दोज आई एम रीडिंग द मीनिंग व्हाई दिस लड्डू आई हैव क्रिएटेड. एक्चुअली दिस वर्क वाज ऑलवेज डन बाय प्रोफेसर गुना मगेशन. This year he is not, so I have to do his job, you know. So I am reading from the English. The pala hai a small soft laddu. Hindu society today unfortunately resemble a soft laddu, easily broken to pieces and swallowed. हिंदू समाज, आज का हिंदू समाज दुर्भाग्यवश एक ऐसे लड्डू के भांति प्रतीत हो जाता है जिसे आसानी से तोड़ा जाता है. जैसे लड्डू है ना, टूट जाएगा, मैं भी तोड़ूंगा तो गंदा यहाँ फूट जाएगा और सब खा जाएंगे. When Hindu society loses its unity, fragments into smaller groups and is scattered. जब हिंदू समाज अपनी एकता खो देता है और छोटे छोटे गुटों टुकड़ों में विभाजित होकर बिखर जाता है, it become vulnerable and easy prey for hostile forces threatening its very existence. This dangerous trend has persisted for centuries, leading to decline in both population and territory. That is a छोटा लड्डू. आज का हिंदू समाज, आई एम रीडिंग इन हिंदी, आज का हिंदू समाज दुर्भाग्यवश एक ऐसे लड्डू के भांति प्रतीत होता है जिसे आसानी से तोड़ा और निगला जा सकता है. जब हिंदू समाज अपनी एकता खो देता है और छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में विभाजित होकर बिखर जाता है तो वह अत्यंत दुर्बल हो जाता है. ऐसे हिंदू समाज के शत्रु उसे आसानी से अपना शिकार बना लेते हैं, जिससे उसके अस्तित्व पर संकट मंडराने लगता है. हिंदू समाज का यह दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण प्रवृत्ति सदियों से चली आ रही है, जिसके परिणाम स्वरूप हिंदू जनसंख्या में गिरावट आ रही है, लगातार गिरावट आ रही है और भौगोलिक क्षेत्रफल भी सिकुड़ता जा रहा है. तो हमें ऐसा लड्डू नहीं बनना है. हमें कैसा लड्डू बनना है, उसमें दूसरा लड्डू भी दिया है, उसको बोलते हैं कड़क लड्डू. मैंने मुंबई से ही सीखा है. कड़क लड्डू. व्हाट इज दिस? कड़क लड्डू इज a big hard laddu. कड़क in Hindi, but in English it is big hard laddu. Big hard laddu is a strongly bonded, cohesive and cannot be broken to pieces. You cannot break into pieces. Hindu society must emulate this quality, become like a big hard laddu. Extremely difficult to break. You cannot break, you can try. Only then it will be capable of defending itself against hostile forces. Such a cohesive society endowed with the inner strength can thrive despite all odds. A resilient and confident Hindu society, united in thought, action, and organizational strength, will undoubtedly grow numerically, intellectually, and materially without suffering further territorial loss. यानी हमें बड़ा बनना है. This must be our vision for the future. The aim of World Hindu Economic Forum is to build such an organized society. And that is my work. You will make money and I will make Hindu society organized. आई एम रीडिंग इन हिंदी। एक बड़ा कड़क लड्डू दृढ़ता से जुड़ा हुआ, संगठित, अत्यंत मजबूत होता है, जिसे तोड़ा नहीं जा सकता, जिसे तोड़ना अत्यंत कठिन है। तभी वह अपनी संपूर्ण शक्तियों से, अपने शत्रु शक्तियों से अपनी रक्षा करने में सफल होगा। ऐसा संगठित हिंदू समाज जो आंतरिक शक्ति से संपन्न हो, विपरीत परिस्थितियों में बावजूद फलते फूलते हुए अग्रसर हो रहा हो। एक मजबूत और आत्मविश्वासी हिंदू समाज जो विचार, क्रिया और संगठनात्मक शक्ति में एकजुट हो, निश्चित रूप से बौद्धिक भौतिक संपत्ति संपन्न होकर जनसंख्या में बढ़ेगा। मोहन जी कहते हैं, मोहन जी भागवत, जनसंख्या घट रहा है, हमें जनसंख्या बढ़ाना है। जनसंख्या में वृद्धि के साथ बिना क्षेत्रफल जिसका सिकुड़ेगा नहीं, ऐसे संगठित हिंदू समाज का निर्माण का लक्ष्य वर्ल्ड हिंदू इकोनॉमिक फोरम का है। और धन्यवाद पुष्पा जी, लड्डू आपने बैंकॉक में भी सबको दिया, वहाँ हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट करके बनाया है, सुशील जी ने नहीं बनाया, आपने बनवाया। धन्यवाद।